Hello, here's some computer help for you. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the margins in a Microsoft Word document. One word of caution: be aware of your choice to change the margins for a particular section or for the entire document. I'll talk more about that in a moment. Let's get started. Here's my sample document. The first step, I go to the menu above and click on Layout. In that section, I click on the leftmost option, which is Margins. That brings up a drop-down menu containing several templates. I could choose one of those, but I'm going to go all the way to the bottom of the menu in order to select Custom Margins. A click there brings up a new window. At the bottom of the window, it allows for a selection of Apply to Whole Document or This Point Forward. That's a convenient way to control what's happening when I use custom margins. If I want to have my new margins apply to the entire document, either using custom margins or one of the templated choices in the previous drop-down menu, I can select the entire document before I choose my margins. I would do that by pressing Ctrl-A. Now I'll go up here and change the options for top, left, bottom, and right, putting a number 4 in the fields. I'll then click, and you'll be able to see the change. Thanks for watching. If this has been helpful to you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Take care, and I'll see you next time.